All right, this month is Sexual Assault Awareness Month. And to do just that, GBMC is hosting its second annual Walk a Mile in Her Shoes. It's an event that happens Saturday. Guys from around our area, including our own Mike Taylor, Skylar Henry, and Sean Stepner. Get that? You follow me there? Stepner. They're going to put on a pair of high heels to raise money, red high heels, to raise money for GBMC's Sexual Assault Forensic Examination and Domestic Violence programs. And joining us right now to talk about the walk, Laura Clary and Dr. Fred Chan from GBMC. Now, Laura, explain SAFE. That's what the big acronym that we narrow it down. What does SAFE stand? I mean, what was that about?
It stands for Sexual Assault Forensic Examination.
Now, you were a nurse first, and then you went back to school to become a forensic nurse.
Yes. So first and foremost, we are all registered nurses, and then we went and got additional certifications to be able to perform sexual assault forensic exams.
Doctor, why should we get involved in this walk on Saturday?
Well, this is a common problem that impacts our society, and we need to raise the awareness of this problem and really trying to get the educated public on the importance of this event.
What is the meaning of putting men in high heels?
Well, I think it's just get the conversation started.
Yeah.
Whether you wear the heel or not, I think it's important just to that people know that this problem exists, and we need to try to support the victims and also support a program that supports the victims.
You know, we have, what, 14 at GBMC, 14 forensic nurses?
Yes.
Could we have hundreds?
We could.
Unbelievable. We don't, the public really doesn't know, do they?
No.
Take us behind that hospital wall. What do you see?
So we see a wide variety of victims of violence. Our patients come in that are victims of sexual assault, child abuse, domestic violence, human trafficking. So we come in for all of those cases. And not only do we provide forensic nursing support, but we also have victim advocacy support as well. So 24/7, round-the-clock care. Anytime a patient comes in that needs our help, we're ready to respond.
And doctor, this isn't this is every night at GBMC. Somebody's walking in needing help.
Yeah, so last year they treated over 170 victims and had over 330 domestic violence advocacy.
And that's the people that are just coming to the hospital.
Correct.
A lot of them are just mending their wounds at home, and that's even more harmful, right?
Right.
So if it's a woman or a man who is watching right now wondering to what career they should go into, for how long does it take and what's it take?
So before you can become a forensic nurse, you have to be a registered nurse. So you have to go to nursing school, get your registered nursing license, and then get some experience being a registered nurse and feeling really comfortable caring for patients, because this population that we care for, it's a really special population that really requires a lot of training and feeling very comfortable in your role as a nurse before you go back to get this certification. You take a course, you do some clinical requirements. We do have a course at GBMC that we offer, and you train underneath of a precepting forensic nurse until you feel comfortable performing these exams on your own.
Doctor, it's very important, and we have to get the public out and walking on Saturday. Tell me about this walk.
So the registration and check-in, you can still register the morning of, but it's 8 o'clock, and we'll have some pre-event activities, and then the walk will start.
Very good. Doctor, thank you so much. I like your pumps, too. You can see them right behind here. Again, it's coming up Saturday, 9 o'clock in the morning until 11:30, right there on the campus of GBMC. How much money do we raise from this event? How many in the last 2 years have we the last time we did this? Do you remember?
Well, last year we raised about 30,000, and this year we're well on our way to beat that last year's goal.
$7 billion. Thank you. Keep walking for us. All right.